Hey guys, let me show you how to take screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. So to take a screenshot, we just need to simply press these two buttons on the side of the watch at the same time. And now the screenshot has been taken. Let's open any application and take a screenshot of it. For example, let's take a screenshot of this phone number. For this, I'm gonna press these two buttons again, and here it is. So all of these screenshots you can see in the gallery. Let's open this application, which looks like a little flower. And here is my screenshots. If you would like to add them to your phone, you just need to scroll a little bit more and then tap the option to add on phone. And after this, you'll be able to see the screenshots right on your phone in the gallery as well. And that's it. Now you know how to take screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.